This is the Arrowhead Brass PK8012SP Stem Assembly for the Arrowhead Brass 450 series faucets. Now the 8012 is for the 12-inch wall thick faucets, and the SP versions are for faucets that are pre-1999 or made before 1999. Now if we take a couple measurements of this complete stem here. Now keep in mind when you are measuring them, so if you're looking for like a replacement or you're just needing, like, you're wanting to know what the total length of the stem is that's in your faucet, you want to make sure you're measuring them from tip to tip. So from where the handle will attach to the absolute opposite end here. So if we line it up with this ruler here, so from the tip to where the handle will attach, you can see it measures right at about 16¼ inches. The SP versions will have that extra 1/4 inch length. And yeah, once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK8012SP Stem Assembly.